Hello, Excellence family. Today is Monday, so we are ready for a Mortgage Monday with our very own Madeline King from Excellence Mortgage. I, as your agent concierge, am here to connect you to Madeline and all that Excellence Mortgage has to offer. Madeline, we are excited to sit down with you and get some mortgage updates.
Absolutely. Hi, Christina, and hello, Excellence family. So although we do see a lot of slowdown in the market, there are still, there's activity still going on, and fortunately, we are still closing loans, and we're super happy about that. And while it's been tough on the primary or in the investment purchase market, we do have solutions for that because we have a couple of programs that will allow buyers to purchase on an investment property, even though the market for conventional is really just geared toward primary right now. And the way that we're doing those programs are with what's called the debt service cost ratio. And there's no income qualifying, so it works out great for a lot of investors. And it basically will approve as long as your rental is going to cover the cost of the mortgage insurance, including taxes, and the mortgage payment, including taxes and insurance. So we're doing a lot of those, and we seem to have a lot of success with that with investors. So we try to remind the market out there, listen, you can still purchase investment properties, and they're a better way to finance right now than the typical conventional for investment, because they're just priced too high if you're going to go on a conventional for an investment. So
now, with this program, what would the pricing, it's a little bit higher than or equivalent to conventional, or you're saying it's actually more favorable at this point?
The pricing is just slightly better, actually, because the rates are so priced out of the market for conventional, if you're doing an investment, that the cost, it just won't qualify. It wouldn't qualify as a qualified mortgage, excuse all the qualification words there. But that's why these types of loans are referred to as non-QM, which are non-qualified mortgages. So the market doesn't allow you to do a conventional loan on an investment program right now. It just prices it out so high. But the DSCR, or the non-qualified programs, will. Now they're a little bit higher on rate, or about the same, and there's a cost involved, but the cost is actually lower sometimes than doing it with conventional. And you can do, that's going to completely vary on the down payment that you use and the credit score that you're using, but it's still a very doable loan that we have out there for investors, and it's drawing a lot of success right now, because that's where the market is with non-QM loans.
Well, as always, I encourage everyone to reach out to you if they have a question about a specific scenario. They're looking at, an investment property for their client or even for themselves. Definitely reach out. Madeline can help with that. These programs are changing, being tweaked constantly. So she is the guru when it comes to those things. We want to run every scenario by her. There is a proper fit for most clients. We just have to talk through it, right?
Absolutely. And that's so important, Christina. Thank you for bringing that up, because every client is different, and the path to home ownership for everyone is not the same. So there are loans that we can do. And even sometimes we just have to prepare your customer for the future. And we're towards the end of the year now. So a lot of people are getting ready, and saying, okay, well, I'm going to get this done, preparing themselves for early next year so that they can have their taxes in order, and they know what they're going to be looking for, and how they have to prepare. So that's another thing. In this time of the year, when people are beginning to settle down and getting into the holidays, the main focus, if you're not already under contract, is we're going to be putting this off and preparing for next year. So that's what we're doing too now. We're reaching out to all of those clients who perhaps were just a little short of qualifying this year, and letting them know, hey, you're ready to get prepared for next year. Let's get everything going on that end. So it's still a busy time for us, and we're just looking to get everybody prepared for early next year.
That sounds great. And basically turning can'ts into cans with a little bit of advanced preparation and knowing what to put into place, right?
Absolutely. And that's another issue, another thing I wanted to mention, because we are going into a new year. We have to be prepared for new loan limits. So that's great news that we're wanting to bring to you as well, because conventional loan limits have already been announced, and they are going up about 3.28 to be exact. So they've lifted or raised the conventional loan limits to 750,000 for a single family residence. So it keeps getting higher and higher. Of course, we know that, I mean, that's a good thing, because people will be able to qualify using regular conventional pricing and not have to go into a jumbo. And you know, jumbo pricing is a little bit different, and a little bit, you know, the qualifying purpose is a little bit different as well. So, you know, it's good we have new loan limits, and we can expect that those will probably come into play sometime in late November. They usually do allow them to go in before the beginning of the year. So we have that to look forward to as well.
Well, that's really good news. And we always encourage, again, with those loan limits changing, your client's planning for the next year, we always encourage you to reach out to us. We have excellencemortgage.com/apply. That is the way to book a time on Madeline's calendar, and whether it's a consultation to talk through a scenario, or your client or borrower is ready to apply, they can do that as well. They have the choice, and they also pick the time and date. Makes it a really easy way to connect with Madeline, talk through scenarios, and move forward with the plan, right? We want to turn those can'ts into cans and make those plans become the dreams of your client actually come true. So we're here to help you, Madeline. We appreciate your support. People also reach out by phone, which is the 305-595-7355, the option for mortgage. We are here to assist you exclusively, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much for taking the time today, Madeline. We always appreciate your help.
Thank you, Christina. You as well.
All right, everyone have a great week. Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.